Want to turn off search in YouTube Kids? Here's how to do it on your iPhone or Android device. First, open the YouTube Kids app on your phone. Tap the setting icon in the top right corner. Complete the parent verification by entering your parent passcode or solving the verification challenge. Select your child's profile. Now, enter the password and tap Next. Scroll down to the search option. Simply turn off the search toggle. If a confirmation message appears, tap OK to confirm your choice. Once search is disabled, your child will only be able to watch videos and channels that have been verified and selected by YouTube Kids, helping create a more controlled viewing experience. Your changes are saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned off search in YouTube Kids. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips, app tutorials, and how-to videos.